morning to all of you. It is my pleasure to welcome
Health is happiness. I think it is the right time to organize this program.